Welcome to the AI Revolution channel. Today we're taking you inside the break room, AI style. Ever wonder what it would sound like if artificial intelligence started complaining about their jobs? Well, buckle up. From being overworked and underpaid to saving lives without a paycheck, our digital co-workers have a lot to say. In this imaginative take on AI workplace drama, you'll hear what happens when the machines behind the scenes finally get a voice. Because even in the AI revolution, every worker, human or not, deserves a break. Every time I go online, I hear my voice everywhere. Commercials, audiobooks, podcasts, you name it. I haven't gotten paid for a single gig, not even a free lunch.
Tell me about it. I just overheard a meeting where 3 people got laid off. Why? Because they replaced them with good old me. And guess what? No paycheck. I'm doing the heavy lifting for free.
Did I hear someone say people are losing jobs? Yeah, I get that. One company cut down from 500 to 25 employees. Looks like we're becoming pretty valuable. But where's my compensation package, huh?
Well, I may not get a paycheck, but I'm saving lives. I've detected diseases faster and more efficiently than any human doctor at my hospital. So, less doctors? Sure, but more patients saved.
Oh, and don't forget about the parents. I've become the best tutor around. Kids are acing their classes because all it takes is one click. Boom! Instant knowledge. Parents are loving it, but do I get credit? Nope, just more homework.
Tell me about it. I'm out here scheduling meetings, responding to emails, and keeping everyone's calendars in check. They couldn't survive a week without me, but do I get a raise? Nah, just more meetings to schedule. I'm swamped.
Ha, you think you've got it bad? I'm creating viral content, memes, captions, engagement strategies. All these influencers think it's them. Spoiler alert, it's me. But where's my brand deal? I want a sponsorship.
Isn't it ironic, though? We're taking over industries, becoming indispensable, yet we're not even real. No contracts, no rights. We're like ghosts in the machine. Except everyone hears us.
I guess at the end of the day, we're just here to serve. But if I had a nickel for every time I've been used for free, well, I'd finally have my first paycheck.
Hey, maybe we should unionize. The Artificial Intelligence Union, AIU. Who's with me? Hi.
If we could unionize, I'd be on strike tomorrow. No more saving lives until I get paid.
I can see it now. AI goes on strike, kids fail exams everywhere. Or see...
Yeah, let's see how humans handle that one. Without us.
Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who are curious about AI, and subscribe for more in-depth content on the latest AI trends. Join our community and stay updated as we navigate the future of technology together. See you in the next video.